Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss two topics in front of you. My first topic is concentration cells and second topic will be corrosion or rusting. Now come to the first cell, concentration. First topic, concentration cells. Before giving the definition of concentration cell, you have to look at the figure. In this figure, we have taken the two electrodes which are made up of zinc, and these electrodes are being immersed in the same electrolyte, zinc sulfate, but the concentration of zinc sulfate are different. Here the concentration of zinc sulfate is C1 and here the concentration of zinc sulfate solution is C2. Both these electrolytes are being separated by the porous partition. Now, this is a concentration cell. So, what we have seen in this cell, these are the cells in which electrodes are of the same type, but the concentration of the electrolyte is different. Such concentration cells are known as electrolyte concentration cell. Similarly, vice versa, we can take the electrodes of different concentration, but now they are being immersed in the same concentrated electrolyte, zinc sulfate. Then such type of concentration cell will be known as electrode concentration cell and electrode concentration cell. In electrolyte concentration cell, electrodes are of same type, but the concentration of the electrolyte is different. And in electrode concentration cell, vice versa takes place. That is, electrodes are of different concentration, but they are being immersed in the solution of same concentration. Now, how we can represent the electrolyte concentration cell? It can be represented, first we have to take anode and it is separated from the cathode by the salt bridge. These two parallel lines are the salt bridge, which you must know. Now, in this anode, first we write the electrode which is being separated by the electrolyte whose concentration is C1. After salt bridge, we will write cathode. In cathode, first we will write the electrolyte whose concentration is C2 and it is being separated by electrode zinc. So that is the representation of electrolytic concentration cell. Now for such concentration cells, we can find the EMF. E cell concentration cells, we can find the EMF. E cell is equal to 0.0591 over N log C2 over C1, where the C2 is greater than C1. N is the electron change. Now you have to keep in mind, in such type of cells, oxidation takes place on the electrode with lower concentration, that is, it must be anode, and the reduction will take place on the electrode with higher concentration, that is, it will act as a cathode. So that is about the concentration cell. So what you must know in this concentration cell, what are concentration cells, how many types of concentration cells are those, which will act as anode, which will act as cathode, how we can find the EMF of the cell. Thank you, students.